Hey, this is Dustin with Synergy Manufacturing, and today I'd like to talk to you about our new front track bar relocation bracket. This bracket will fit the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL and JLU. It will also fit the 2020 and up Jeep JT Gladiator. This bracket is laser cut in CNC form from 3/16 and 1/4" steel for precision fit and maximum durability. It also securely indexes to the factory bracket and reinforces with additional attachment points. The Synergy JL, JLU, and JT front track bar relocation bracket is the definitive fix for your lifted JL or JT. When lifting beyond 3 inches, it becomes critical to correct several important areas of suspension geometry. This bracket combines with our proven drag link to create the 8811-01 steering correction kit. What's really great about this bracket, it's 100% bolt-on. You can do it in your driveway with basic hand tools. There's no cutting or grinding whatsoever involved with this bracket. When using the Synergy drag link flipped adapter kit, you would also use this bracket to help raise your track bar to correct the geometry of your lifted JL, JLU, or JT. We also recommend using 3 inches of bump stop spacing with this bracket to avoid collision. So there you have it, the new Synergy front track bar relocation bracket, part number 885501. Go get yours today.